Hi mga kababayan! Magkwentuhan tayo tungkol sa historya ng Baler noon at sa panahon ngayon. Baler is a municipality. It's Region 3 in Central Luzon. It is the capital of the province of Aurora in the Philippines. It is accessible to people by bus and private vehicles. Baler is well known to be one of the top surf spots in the Philippines, and to some people, it's a surfer's paradise. Pero bago ang lahat, bumalik muna tayo sa nakaraan ng Baler. All of our research is from the internet. If we get any of the facts wrong, then please comment below and we will correct it. We hope this video is helpful to you. The name Baler originated from the term balot. Balot is an indigenous name for mountain doves or the name Paloma Monte. The early inhabitants of Baler are Dumagat and Ilongot natives. The Dumagat Tribe would use nature to improvise objects. They would survive to live every day with the objects they use. And Ilongot natives tend to inhabit areas close to rivers because this is where they find food and use it as transportation. Baler was founded by Franciscan Missionaries led by Father Blas Palomino as a mission. On December 27, 1735, a huge storm and wave called Tromba, Marina happened in Baler. The Tromba Marina wiped out the town. Only a few families survived. A mural depicting the wave can be seen in the Museo de Baler. Also, I would like to recommend a film. The title of the film is Baler, and I watched it when I was a kid, and I was inspired to learn more about Baler after watching that film. Hope you guys watch it, and here are a few screenshots of the film. The Siege of Baler. From July 1, 1898 to June 2, 1899, Spanish soldiers of the Baler garrison made the San Luis Obispo de la Tosa Church their quarters. The Spaniard soldiers had to endure their stay in the church. It was a small and humid place. Also, food supply was low, and there was a lot of diseases that can damage their health. They had to survive even though Filipinos made attempts to make them surrender. They would write letters and surround the church and more. On June 2, 1899, the Spaniard soldiers surrendered and effectively ending over 300 years of Spanish rule in the country. Here's a photo of the 32 survivors of the garrison in Baler. One last fun fact for you guys. If you know Manuel Quezon, he was the President of the Commonwealth of the Philippines from 1935 to 1944, and he was born on August 19, 1878 in Baler. Okay, yun ang ating maikling kwentuhan tungkol sa Baler. Sa panahon ngayon, ang Baler ay kilala para sa mga attractions nito. Parang yung beach na may 9-foot waves at ang historical walking tour. Pwede kayo pumunta sa museo at sa simbahan. At syempre, wag nating kalimutan tikman ang pagkain sa Baler. Thank you for watching! Our team is just starting to make videos. Sana ay suportahan mo kami and sana mag-subscribe kayo. We hope you subscribe for more kwentuhan about Philippine history and more. Paalam kababayan!